So, you want to move to Canada? Here's how. Step 1. Sign up online. Take the first step by signing up with Canadian Visa today and put your visa application in the trusted hands of our regulated Canadian immigration consultants. Step 2. Eligibility evaluation. Start the process by paying a small evaluation fee and filling out a detailed questionnaire online. We will then get to work by assessing your eligibility and determining the best of over 100 visa options for you and your family. Step 3. Get your results. Receive a complete immigration evaluation that's tailored to your needs within 10 business days and get ready to take the next step. Step 4. Visa Profile Dashboard. Log into your very own Visa Profile Dashboard to fill out government forms, upload required documents for your application, and get direct feedback from our dedicated agents every step of the way. Step 5. Visa Application. Once your profile is complete, we will personally submit a complete and optimized application to Canadian authorities on your behalf. Step 6. Pack your bags. We'll keep you updated on your application progress and notify you as soon as your application status is revealed. Apply today and we'll be with you from your first click to your first step onto Canadian soil.